passport. Yeah, man, so when you look around to Bombard, immigration man, them a collect passport. The man say to Bombard, the man want vomit, he want shit, he want everything, and he just come from the bathroom. Come on, so me to tell me, say, you know, say you can't travel right now because you're in a country from 1999 and you're illegal through certain circumstances, charges and all these things where they just forward in that country and you know you can't take a plane and travel like how you used to because guess what, TSA a check. And you say you are going to take the Greyhound bus, you see me I say, and go. And New York from California, go visit your family them for holiday, so you always go there every holiday. And you see me I say, and when you reach at Texas, immigration company bus a check everybody ID. And when they check your passport, they realize say you overstay from 2000.
Oh my God! Wow!
And you get deported back to Jamaica just for that. Jesus Christ. Me I tell you the people, crazy road at one part, people. You see me, so the story today about this youth people. I mean, I tell you now. Right now is not the time for nobody try to travel if you're illegal. You feel me? I say, meaning if you try to go state to state, even if you are driving a one car right now. You feel me? I say, remember you used to drive in a car and all them things they drive. You can drive from New York, go to Florida, go to Texas, Arizona, all these places, California and all them things there. Now this is another time for drive. Me I tell you, like you don't watch it, internet to the people. Like you don't watch me story them. You see me I say, you're not watching these story guys. You feel me? Cause this person you know, him know say him can't travel cause him don't know say him overstay him legal him. You feel me I say him have criminal charges on him record for a long time when he just come in America. So feel time of married to get papers done.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
But guess what now, people? Him live in California, where California is one of those states that really lenient on immigration.
Yeah, boy.
You see me? I say really lenient at immigration, people. You feel me? So him there California, him get arrested over 5 times at California and back out in a street. You feel me? I say, so them thing they cause him if he can't get no paper ship and all them thing. But guess what now, people? You see me? If they're America, so every Christmas holiday, you feel me? I say, if have some people at New York and all them thing there. So all around holiday time, people, him used to just jump on the plane. You feel me? I say, book a 1 ticket, commercial flight, end up at New York and visiting family them. You see me? I say, party down there and all them thing there. Whole heap of vibes. And that time tradition for all these years from in there in America or illegal from the time there. And him always a travel normal and no problem. Nobody not trouble him and all these things. You see me? I say, but this new law we pass right now. You feel me? I say, this new law we out right now that Trump not playing around with people. So everybody have to go through TSA. You feel me? I say, when they go through TSA right now, if you have criminal record, if your passport not valid, if you overstay, if you have removal, remember those times, back in the time, you could have traveled easy upon those type of things with no problem. You could have traveled upon them things back in the days, I call it back in the days, right now, with no issue whatsoever. Now, you can't do them something there. But this person, you know, people, you know, him get the opportunity to come America. You feel me? I say they are Jamaica and you feel me? He get the opportunity to come America in a 1999. You feel me, people? 1999 when America was really an easy entry. You feel me? I say back in the days, the people. So here, him come up America now. So him there Jamaica. I have a friend. Say, and not even friend people, I'm family member in cousin. You feel me? Yeah, in cousin come down there one day and you know, because always come to Jamaica, them always come to Jamaica and them rent the car, them and them go party and them enjoy themselves. But him, always one of them were close to him cousin. You feel me? I say, in cousin close to everybody, but him when him cousin forward down to Jamaica, him look out for him cousin like, him treat him cousin like him cousin a king. You see me? I say, him do everything. So, you know when him cousin come there with the whole heap of sneakers, them dog go outside, you know, understand? Clean off all them cousin shoes them and all them thing they, you know, wipe them off, clean them off, line them back up in our room and all them thing they take care of cousin, make sure say cousin up and running and all these things. They feel me? I say, So what used to go on now, people, them used to there Jamaica, and you know them used to, because they used to send beer barrel come give them and all them thing there. You feel me? Used to send beer barrel and them down there sell clothes and all them thing there, and them used to see like fashion and you know hotness and you know I run off the place and all them thing there, because them are getting latest things them in a barrel, my friend. Beer top brand. You see me? So for them stall hot run a one part, everybody a come buy from them and all them thing there. So the dog they are Jamaica and then start live a nice life now. People cause they have a one house where you feel me? The uncle left give them. So you have a one house down the way. You feel me as the people, everything go on at the house. They show them are making money now in a clothes business and you know them have a hot stall and all these things that be a girl start forward over them thing cause them sell woman clothes too. And you know so once I sell woman clothes, I be a woman. So them over there enjoy themselves, people, and love the lifestyle and everything nice. And you know, Jamaica, I'm a live the life of Jamaica, comfortable. You feel me? So now in cause the stay so now, cause the fly down for holiday and you know, the celebrate and summertime, Christmas time and all them things. There's sometime because of our in the Easter too. You see me? Because we just left Jamaica in January. And you see by Easter time, we were far back though. Because remember them send down a barrel them and container and all these things. So yeah. Them a do them guys. So because of forward in a place where now one day people and they do a Jamaican. You see me after them stay so now people and party and go out and enjoy themselves and forward back in a night to go party because in a room. You feel me? And the dog them in a room and they say because they on the bed and you know they have a couch in a room. You know they sit down there and read and they just read that talk about the party and the dog. Because they just said to him, say like because they call him Damien. Yeah, like he said, Damien, go for me porch. You see me, I said that time porch in travel documents and all these things. You see me? So the man said, Damien, go for me porch. So when Damien says so now, rush and go for your porch now, people. The man forward back and give him cause a porch. You see me, I said, when he give cause a porch now, because they take out a green card. You see he pray. Then time they cause they take out the green card and look on him and say, dog, you know, say you're gone foreign.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And the dog, I say, what you talking about? Dog say, yeah, man, may I make you, come here, you know, see, you look like two of them resemblance people. The dog say, two of them look alike, so the dog stays on all people. And look on the animal say, yo, you're gone foreign, man. When time I go back, you see me, I send back my passport and my green card and some style for you. You see, people, so the dog say, eh? I say, yo, I don't really want, you better continue to say the clothes that we could sell them and then think that. Dog say, no, we are talking about man, really. So the dog convinced I know and decide to say, yo, watch you know, I take up it off and, you know, I lift up. So, cause, you know, one ex-cousin there, you feel me, same kind of bad mind, because him thinks send it close to the other cousin before. You see me, he thinks that him would get certain opportunity and all them things there. So when time the dog gone up now, he must say, dog, them man, they not send back nothing, dog. You know what, the man forward in the night, the man probably drunk. He not go really send back nothing for your forward in and some style. So dog, nah, dog, bad man. Ray. So when time the dog stays, so now, boom, people, you see me, the dog sister, a fly down. You feel me? So his sister says so now, boom, and bring down the passport and the green card for the dog. You see me? I say the dog says so, boom, and bring down the passport and the green card for the dog. The dog says so now, boom, and get the back stamp and pay a certain amount of money and get the back stamp. You feel me? I say get the passport back stamp, make it look like say a him fly down. You feel me? I say so the dog says so now, people cut the ear and ear style and everything like in cousin now, you know, my friend, brawling, you know. Yeah, Jamaica say I take on it, so you know, you look bad mind wine and say, yeah, dog, if I'm here, you want to try that, you know, cause you're right now, you next thing, and man say, oh, this me never listen, you know, man go show other brother them, man, you know, in talk to fee mother, show her, and mother say, yeah, so I'm going look like it's somebody, you see me, I say, member on our family part, you feel me, I say, and the dog don't know her name already and all these things, so the man say, you're so the man say, man take on the back stamp up and send up back people, and now his sister will bring down a passport. That I dog sister, you know, fee him cousin, you feel me, when I use the passport, I go a fee in cousin sister came down with the passport, so the man say, alright. Yeah, man, and she a go back, so he might travel with she. You feel me? I say, I take her on the road, and you know, she a show me ropes and all them thing there, you know. So when time in cause a girl tell him say, yo, which of him cause I tell him say, yo, watch you know. When I reach, you know, when we reach and I go through immigration, separate line, you go over, so I go over here, so and this and that. The dog says, so now, boom. And still, so people, and go up. The man lift up and reach and stay so now go through the line people. When I time is dark, so in the pan plane, sit down side and just a shaking foot so to bombard like a shaking foot back like a nerve in cause the girl cause the lick and say, yo, this man chill, relax. You see me? Like dog, they no people. Remember this is in 1999, you know, people. Yeah, so then time they come in. So the man say so, the man tell me. So this man say so now, boom, and go through a line. And then go up to immigration now, people. You see me? Whip out the green card and stay so. And the immigration says so now, zoop and check your green card and swipe it, soups. And look on him back. And just stamp your passport and give dog. When the dog stays so I see the girl cousin stays so I get you them get you and I go to guy baggage, luggage, for go collect his suitcase now, people. You see me as when they go down there collect his suitcase, now the man say to the girl cousin, say, I say this, so we done easy. Cause now they have to go catch connect flight to go. I seen there, you know, people got LA, you know. So the collect flight, the man for go catch got LA, you know, from Miami, you know, people. And the man says, this, she say, yeah, that's it. You don't know, because you go through immigration, you know, go through no more. But here we go reach them now, people. The man say, when you stay so now down there, I seen the people, I wait for the baggage, luggage, America, down in Miami, you know. I wait for the baggage to come, the man say, you have a passport and a ticket, you know, a passport and you have a local pouch. The man say when time in there, I wait, but he say, remember say when time I forward in cause they tell him say, yo, make sure say as you go through immigration, you know, just put away your passport, man, when you collect your suitcase. Cause once they see it now and they love come grab you and say, yo, let me see your passport. So the man say, so they know people and while in there, they are waiting in line and I easy back with the headphones on and beats and I listen. The man say, man, they come and just grab the passport out and I say, come here. You see me, I say, where is the bag? You feel me? And the man say then just bring him in our room, people, with the passport. You feel man say, yo, he nervous, but he hold it. The man say hold up his stress like Delroy, my friend. Brawl it. And the man say when he go in a room and they start this and they say, yo, how long you stay at Jamaica and this and that and what you carry in your pocket suitcase and then go through in suitcase. And I dig up in bombard suitcase people and I dig up everything and swipe back. They say in a room they have one little machine where they swipe a green card through again. Zit and swipe a green card, look at them passport. You feel me? I say and I dig up. So when they are doing now, they carry up something for you anti they leave at Jamaica. You feel me? I say that time cause of them mother. You see me, I say, so then when they pull in and say, what is that? I say, yo, my aunt and she leave that and I bring it back for her and then see so boom, mama. And them seen the people, because remember, say, then if you catch a flight to go California, you know, people. You see me, I say, so when the man then dig up to be up to till the man then seal up back his suitcase and just give back his passport and say, hurry up before you miss the flight. The man said they run, them have to catch a train to Bombard and States and I run to the airport today because and States a boom and catch a train because you don't know, you know. And hitch a train and go back down our next lane to blood clot to an airport. Big man said to Bombard. He might go through the big old airport to the girl because but she know a regular thing. So instead of her screwing and catch a train. And he easy back now and catch a plane for go to California to Bombard. When he stays on the panic plane now. You see me? Reach a LA now, people. You see me, I say, dog, reach a LA now and stay, so I go check out a LAX, so you look, you see, cause I door. You see me, I say, you like, shout out to you, like, and I say, dear man, there you go, there to Bombard. Nice cool breeze, touch him. You see me, I say, cause I did winter time in a LA. You see me, I say, so you know, LA time, I get chilly. You see me, so I say, that's cool beat him and say, yeah, reaching a foreign. So for them reach this, you know, people, that was it. You feel me, man, the America. And those are going easy back people and you know, he man say, he find one girl. You feel me? I say, but one girl where they look out for him and all them thing the people. But you see me through that kind of love, woman now and thing. You see me, I say, him find this a girl and him dead there, go and deal with her and every minute, he go to see him and the girl in a fight. You see me, I say, be a fight and re-argument and re and this and that. So, one day in see a woman, he's her up and you know black and blue are American girl too, you know people, but the girl love annoy man and now them every minute as in go out a cheat and one bag of sitting so he get locked up for domestic violence one time. The female I say girl never press no charge, but for some reason you know in a domestic violence the prosecutor they love pick you up. So you know he get probation through that. You feel me? I say so him did have a probation and all these things, people. So you know, he complete the probation and all them things there. You see me? And they the same way people and the man saying they are California one day and so on, so then go our mall people and you feel me? I say man say so woman. Man, I lift out 2 beats all time all people. You see me? I say shoplifting style. You see me? I say lift out two beats and I want a leather jacket them. The man say at the time leather jacket I for $225. You feel me? I say then time the red leather jacket and then all you do it you wear a big jacket and just put it on over it and all them things. When I come out time all to bombard like what he did buzzer. He did pan bombard jacket when he take out here, he go pee 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 pee. Yeah. Damn! Yeah, they catch you and you do a pay fine and get locked up for that again and get bail out. So all them things they dip on the record will mess him up. When you don't know say yo film time of getting green card. He done. But in the America see him and you know what he using cause the driver's license move around and he used to cause the name he used to work and flip on and get to work over this and all these things and you know I saw he come he used to survive and all these things, but when him do certain travel at them time the people, him always using regular passport and regular ID. You feel me? So now in cause of them live in New York now, move to New York and him still there California. You see me I say he done set up everything at LA and you know have a look a woman and a girl and him think they normal out at LA, but the man just know say yo film days of paper and baby have to go out to Jamaica and pay some whole heap of lawyer fee and all. So him just there live regular life in America. And the man stays so now to bombard through every holiday now. Him go to New York go visit him people, them cousin them and them thing there. And you know as me tell you them enjoy themselves. So him man decide say yo holiday come up here now people and now him man there know say a serious time right now in a this at 2025 year right now going at 2026 right now. This a man I know say yo Trump them now play. So him know say yo right now guys he hear about the little thing say he can't take a plane again. You feel me? I say, so a prison lifestyle that people when they check out, you know, a prison lifestyle that living in, you know, people better not come on the yard. You see me? I say, better not come on the yard right now, guys. Better you come home. It's better it's better for you to come home back to your country because you live in a prison. You can't move around right now. You feel me? I say, so him know saying can't take a plane again because TSA you know everything I send, every check, them TSA I check them and I send them information over there to Donald Trump.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So man stays so now people and decide say alright, yeah, I miss that, alright, fuck it, me nah take a plane, but me I go stay so boom and hit your bus. You feel me? I say, and them thing that and take on there and go up in go to New York and all them things there. I say bus I take about 5 days. You feel me? I say if you reach from California to New York. You see it? So man say, alright, yeah man, do it. And sit down on the bus, road trip, man say, alright, boom, man figure link in for me, Matt. So man Jay so boom and booking bus ticket and stay so bus station, jump on the bus. Man say take on the bus and him start love the bus vibe now cause I have a little piece of weed them and some style people. Every time the bus pull up you know and just burn off when they arrest after then change, clean the bus and all them thing there. He just burn out the weed and all them thing there. Man say you stay so boom. And reach one state. You see me cause whole heap of state in St. Drive to you know 5 days supposed to take them. You see me? So the man say drive whole heap of state already and the man says a woman meet one white girl come on the bus to bombard, come sit down in a thing to bombard and I see it and the man say he hate to bombard so he start in a white mama years and he mama on the bus for if a couple days them are comfortable then and reach a blow one next state again then one black girl come up on the bus and now we are got New York. You see me I say and the man say so now woman you know what see black girl come up on the bus to bombard as that he not fear years too. You see me I say, right girl getting her feelings now cause man had the bus 1 2 days already. You see me I say, white girl lock him off you know and stop deal with the bus now. So man a black girl start deal. So the man tell me you know them type of style them and I enjoy himself on the bus. So the white girl must come off and I don't know if remember if you see an Indian or one of them place the people. If she come off the bus, I man the black girl up on the bus and I go on easy back and I go up the road now people everything now man. Come off them pull some weed. People. The man say they reach I must see Texas. I think Texas are them place there. Somewhere say they reach. And the man stay so to bombard when they reach at Texas now and the bus pull up in a place, the bus rest place so the bus go clean and vacuum up and them get stretch them legs and go get them little snacks or whatever then and none and use the bathroom and some style. The man say, pull up the to Bombard. Him go use the bar too, me I know. You see me I say, forward, the man says him go use the bar too and forward, look like immigration and stay so boom. And go back on the bus when time the bus now stay so clean up. And about because they no company just so you know, they wait till the bus don't clean up. And everybody going back on the bus now. So him now in the bar tube now, immigration and got down. We don't in the back of the bus. I start from back now. Even in the bar tube now. If don't know say people, them the bus you know people. So him come out back now and walk at top on the phone. I walk up in the bus people. You see me I say, pass one man I do it turn up and even notice probably think a regular passenger. And go up in the bus and sit down in the seat. You see me I say, yeah, the door lock. The man said he come off my phone and focus down in here. Passport, passport, passport. The man said when he look around to Bombard, immigration man, them a collect passport. The man said to Bombard, the man want vomit, he want shit, he want everything and he just come from the bathroom. The man said when they reach and blow out thing and he shoot out the passport, my friend. Jaja. The man them say, yo, you overstay in a country from 2000. You feel me I say? When they ask him, how long he there? The man say, yo, he come at 99. You see me I say? So the man they say, you overstay in a country from 2000 and all them things, so you're there, because basically they say you're here from 2000 till now. And you're in a country illegal. Because I don't overstay no, in a country illegal. From 2000 you know, organized, not get no papers, nothing when they looking at passport people. In passport have no stamp. We say in America or this and that. Or travel out of country. Brand new passport. The Jamaican passport will expire since in the then send it back to Washington, apply for it, get a new passport and you have travel. And they just take him off a bus. Left the girl. Everything. And I saw him get deported, guys. Man get deported back of him country to Bombard. You see me I say, Jamaica. You shouldn't go visit now. You know, once a year so they have them thing up on the plane. You supposed to stay. You see me? If you was a subscriber, remember to do it right. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Watch a little thinking mode cat now up on my roof. Watch her. A stray cat now watch him. On top of my car roof. Oh, you end up this up. No star.